In China, conservationists are dressing up in fluffy panda costumes in order to prepare captive-born cubs to live in the wild. They are anxious to ensure the endangered animals have as little contact with humans as possible. So rather than being hand-reared as precious pandas often are, they are being brought up by their mothers in a piece of protected woodland. Young pandas stay with the mothers for as long as 3 years, which means that a wild panda may raise only 3 to 4 cubs in a lifetime. A panda mother is 900 times bigger than her newborn cub. In comparison, an 8-pound human baby would have a mother that weighed 7,200 pounds. Giant pandas in some ways are anomalies of evolution. Their ancestry, as far as experts can conclude, shows that they descended from meat-loving carnivores. Indeed, even a modern-day giant panda's biological construction dictates that it is a carnivore. In other words, its digestive tract is built to break down meat and is inadequate for breaking down bamboo stalks efficiently. There are about 20 different species of bamboo that giant pandas will eat. However, bamboo is so nutritionally poor that the pandas have to consume up to 20 kilograms each day, which can take up to 16 hours. Red panda eats 200,000 leaves of bamboo per day. Due to the low caloric value of the leaves, the red panda rests most of the day because it needs to conserve the energy. Giant pandas do not run fast. A slow trot is as fast as they can go. The fastest bear is the black bear, which can run 35 miles per hour. That's about as fast as a horse or a deer. Giant pandas are on the brink of extinction, with just over 1,000 pandas left in the world. Scientists are hoping to increase the wild panda population to 5,000 by 2025 with the help of special sanctuaries with sufficient space for animals. Giant pandas are loners. They dislike being around other pandas so much that they have a heightened sense of smell that lets them know when another panda is nearby, so it can be avoided. If another giant panda does get close, the two will end up swatting and growling at each other. Sometimes they will even bite each other. Giant and red pandas have a special bone that extends from their wrists called a pseudo-thumb. The thumb is actually a modified wrist bone, and it is used to hold and manipulate bamboo better. Both giant and red pandas share such similarities. They eat and grip bamboo the same way, share similar snout, teeth, and paw features, as well as a distinct resemblance. Red panda is also known as firefox because of its size and red color of the fur. Upper side of the red panda is red and white in color. Legs and belly are black. This type of coloration provides camouflage in the forest. Red panda is a trademark of Firefox browser. All giant pandas outside China are actually on loan from the country. The panda is China's national symbol and the nation's semi-official panda diplomacy. Lending pandas abroad as a sign of goodwill that goes back to the days of the Cold War. Giant pandas were picked as the symbol of the International Conservation Organization, WWF. On their logo, the founders wanted to see an animal that is beautiful, endangered, and loved by many people in the world, but also an animal that had an impact in black and white to save money on printing costs.